This is an exponential equation, and you should definitely be able to state what the three parts of an exponential equation represent. A is your starting amount, B is the way it changes, and X is the number of times that happens. Now, the two ways you'll typically see that used on the SAT would be if I had my A times B to the X over some number, let's just say 12. And if I had A times B to the X times some number, let's just say 12. And in the left situation, this would mean that my change is happening every 12. Let's say every 12 months, like this question. And this notation would be saying that it happens 12 times every whatever. In other words, 12 times every month. Now, if you're thinking about investment, this situation here could make a ton of money. And this situation here might make you need to investigate getting a new job. Now, getting into this question, we know that it's starting at 5,470. It's being multiplied by 0.64. And that is, by the way, a change of 36%, because when you're changing by a percent, you can increase or decrease by a certain number. And so if I increase by 36%, it would take me up to 136%. If I decrease by 36%, it would take me to 64%. Putting those in decimal form, I have 0.64 or 1.36. So what we're saying is, if you want to decrease something by 36%, that's the same as multiplying it by 0.64. So we need to understand that this is going down 36%. And then the X over 12, if X is the number of months, that's this right here. That means it's happening every 12 months. So what are they asking us? They're saying it's decreasing by what percent every year? Well, every 12 months is the same as every year. So it's decreasing by 36% every year. And that is answer choice C for this question.